friends, welcome back to my channel, Your Crochet.
In this tutorial, we are going to see how to work the increases for a star stitch pattern in a very simple and easy way. So without wasting time, let's see how to work increases. We'll start with the basic star stitch, starting with a slip knot and chains. Chains should always be in odd numbers. So depending upon the project you are working on, you will be working chains, odd number of chains. For sample purpose, here I am just doing 11 chains. So here I have worked 11 chains. We'll start working from the second chain. First one we'll skip and into the second we'll insert to start our star stitch pattern. Stitch pattern is basically repetition of 2 rows. We'll insert into the next chain and into the next. Repeat this until we have 6 loops on our hook. Total of 6 loops. Yarn over and pull through all the 6 loops. Chain 1. So the first part is done. We'll repeat this until we reach the end. For the star stitch, we need 5 chains. So our first chain will be the eye of the star, which is formed by the chain 1 we made in the first star. Then the next loop will be our 6th loop. We can easily make out the 6 loops from our previous star. So into this we will be inserting, and the third chain will be the same space where we did our 6th loop. Insert into the eye, pull up a loop, into the 6th loop, pull up a loop, and to the same chain where we did our 6th loop. We have 4 loops, 2 more loops we need. So for that we will insert into the next 2 chains. 1 loop from each chain. Each time we should have 6 loops on our hook. So here I have reached the end. We have 1 more chain to work. We'll finish off with a half double crochet, 2 together. So into the same space where we ended our last star, we'll insert and pull up a loop. Yarn over again and insert into the last stitch. Total 5 loops, pull through all the 5 loops. Half double crochet, 2 together. By doing this, we get a perfect edge. Chain 2. As we are going to work half double crochets in the next row, chain 2 will be just a returning chain. We are not going to count chain 2 as a stitch. First half double crochet will be into the very first stitch, that is the stitch where we made half double crochet 2 together. 1 half double crochet into the same space. Next we will be working into the eye of the stars. 2 half double crochet each. Into the same space we will be working 2 half double crochets. To end, we will be working single crochet into the very first chain of the star. If you hold like this, make out the chains. So into the very first chain we will insert and work a single crochet. So you get a perfect edging. So these 2 rows are the repetition for the star stitch. These 2 rows together will make the stitch complete. Chain 3. Turn your work and work the star stitch first row pattern. Here only difference is instead of chains we will be working through the stitches. Total 6 loops you need. Each time a first row of star stitch will be starting with chain 3s. So I'll just repeat and then show you how to work increase. So here I have reached the end of first set of star stitch. Half double crochet, 2 together. Yarn over, insert into the same space as we did our last 6th loop. Again yarn over and into the last stitch. Pull up a loop and complete the half double crochet, 2 together. Chain 2. Turn your work. Work 1 half double crochet on top of the half double crochet, 2 together. Normally for normal without any increases we will be working 2 half double crochets into the eye, but for increasing we will work 4 half double crochets into the same eye. So half double crochet 1, 2, yarn over, insert, pull up. You have 3 loops, pull through all the 3. One more. Total 4 half double crochets we will be working into the same eye instead of 2 half double crochets. Into the next eye we will work in the same way as we worked in the second row, that is we will be working 2 half double crochets. Insert, pull up, again yarn over and insert, work a half double crochet. Only in the beginning and end we will be increasing. So 2 half double crochets and in the end again 4 half double crochets. As we are planning to increase on both the sides. So here also we worked 4 half double crochets and in the beginning also we worked 4 half double crochets. Ending we will be working a single crochet. There is no change in the starting and ending. Only difference is in the half double crochets of first and last eyes. Instead of 2 half double crochets we will be working 4 half double crochets. Here also we worked 4 half double crochets. This is the only place where we have a change. Rest all steps are similar. Chain 3 and work the first row of star stitch. Five loops, 6 loops we need. 5 stitches we are using, including the 2 chains from the chain 3. Chain 1 and finish off the step. Just repeat. Only difference from the first and this row is we are using stitches instead of the chains as we did in the first row. Each time we only have 6 loops on our hook. Pull through all 6 loops and chain 1. So here you can see the difference. Here we have 5 stars, whereas in the previous round we had only 3. And with half double crochet, 2 together. Yarn over, insert into the same space as we did our last 6th loop. Again yarn over and into the last stitch. Pull up a loop and complete the half double crochet, 2 together. Chain 2. Again we are going to increase half double crochet into the very first stitch, that is on top of half double crochet, 2 together, and into the eye work 4 half double crochets. And in the middle spaces all we will be working 2 half double crochet each into the eye. Only in the starting and ending we will work 4 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And with a single crochet. This is how we are going to work increases for the star stitch pattern. Hope you liked watching this video. If you like this video, please do like and share. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So until we meet with yet another project or tutorial, take care and stay safe.
Bye!